Mumbai is the city where dreams are born, built and broken. India financial capital, home home to Bollywood, stock market, ports, and millions of people chasing opportunity. But Mumbai is not just about glamour and growth. In this video, we will explain pin to pin from its geographical location to historical roots and economic power, population pressure, infrastructure security challenges, and future development. This complete balanced analysis covering both strengths and problems, specially designed for competitive exams. So, if you want to truly understand why Mumbai is the most important city of India, watch this video till the end. Okay, let's dive into the video. Um, okay, wait. Introduction. Introduction to Mumbai. The gateway of India standard has iconic symbol of India's Mumbai's rich history and culture heritage. It's welcome million of visitors representing the city blends of tradition and modernity. And geographical location. Mumbai is a coastal city situated on the western coast of India, characterized by national deep dive water harbor and built on 7 islands, providing a unique geographical location identity. And our next topic, administration, historic and demographics. Administrative importance. The Mumbai Municipal Corporation stands as the richest municipal body in India, playing a vital role in Mumbai's governance and urban management. Historical and background. Mumbai's history begins Koli fishing village, translating from Portuguese to British control, evolving into significant ports and textile hub by the 19th century. And populations and demographic. Mumbai population exceeds 20 million, making it one of the most densely populated city globally. It is melting pot of culture, languages and traditions, reflecting India's diversity. And our next topic, economic, finance and overview. Economic importance. Mumbai plays a crucial role in Indian economy, contributing approximately 6 to 7% to the nation GDPs, with significant influence from banking, finance, and the stock market. And Mumbai Financial Hub. Mumbai serves as the financial capital, hosting the Reserve Bank of India. It plays a vital role in banking, finance, and economic policy, influence national growth. Film and media. Mumbai serves as the heart of Bollywood, producing a vast of array films, television shows, and digital content, significantly shaping India's cultural landscape and economic growth. And infrastructure and education. Infrastructure and transport is in Mumbai's local trains are the lifeline of the city, connecting millions daily, expanding metro network and roadways, enhancing mobility, catering to the needs of a growing urban population. And educational institution. IIT Mumbai is renowned for its world-class education and research. The campus attracts students from across India, offering specialized programs in engineering, management, and science. And our next topic, culture, challenges, and security. Culture and lifestyle. Mumbai's culture tapestry shines during Ganesh Chaturthi, where thousands of people participating in vibrant celebrations, blending tradition and modernity through music, dance, and communal spirit, and slums and inequality. Dharavi, Asia's largest slum, reveals strike contracts its wealth and living conditions. Despite challenges, it embodies entrepreneurial spirits, showcasing the resilience of its diverse and communities. Laws and securities. Mumbai police plays a crucial role in maintaining laws and order, ensuring safety for residents and tourists alike while adapting to the city unique security challenges and environmental governance and social resilience. Environmental challenges. Mumbai faces a significant environmental issues such as monsoon floodings, which disrupts daily life, highlights infrastructure vulnerabilities, and water pollution challenges, signaling the need for urgent actions. And governance and civic issues. Mumbai faces numerous civic challenges, including traffic congestion, overburden infrastructure, and waste management difficulties impacting daily life and urban governance efficiency and community and diversity. Mumbai's rich culture tapestry reflect its diversity with residents from various backgrounds collaborating. Festivals and traditions and showcase this vibrant community spirit and resilience. Strategic importance and opportunities. Next topic. Strategic importance. Mumbai port serves as a vital gateway for trade, facilitating immense cargoes flows and economic activities, reinforcing Mumbai's status as India's financial powerhouse and international trade hub. Future and development. The Mumbai metro expansion aims to enhance connectivity across the city, reducing traffic congestion and improving public transport accessibility from millions of residents. Opportunity and potential. Mumbai has a global financial hub, fostering innovation and entrepreneurship. The city growing startup ecosystem presents immense opportunity for investments and collaboration across diverse sectors. And by the end of this video, happy preparing and don't stress and focus on studies and build your career. If you found this video helpful, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. That's all. Signing off. Goodbye.